Hi folks, for those that I haven't had a chance to meet, I'm Mike Eatson, dealer principal here at Peterborough Volkswagen. And I've got some exciting news to share. After 15 years, it's time for a facelift at the store. Beginning the week of October the 14th, things will start to look a little different as the construction crew arrives to begin our refresh. What's this free refresh going to look like? It includes a complete new facade with a larger showroom, updated waiting area, and a full service drive-in service department. The team's pretty excited, and we hope you are too. There's no denying that renos come with some challenges. So we're asking for your patience while we navigate through this project. Once the construction begins, we'll be asking all customers to access the dealership through the front doors, as the west side of the store will be fenced off and excavated. We'll have signage to assist in parking and pickup. During phase one, your experience in the store will remain the same. However, as we move along, we will be required to shuffle our departments around, but we'll keep you posted. As we are coming into our busiest time of the year, yes, the old dreaded snow tires, we'd ask that you please plan accordingly and book early. At this time, I'd also like to let you know that we would like to offer our valet pickup and delivery services. A quick call and we can pick up and deliver your car within city limits and a little bit of the rural depending on our staffing availability. This will help assist in our planning and less hassle for you. Just call one of the service team members for full details. Well, it's exciting times here at the store, and we look forward to sharing with you as we bring you an all new updated Peterborough Volkswagen buying experience. I hope you all have a great day, and feel free to call anytime if you have questions.